Welcome back everyone. We are getting very close to the end of this painting. There are some final minor details, but I want to just focus in this session on just finishing the rope and the cork, and then we will do a session exclusively for highlights because there is a lot of them. And then I might assess the whole painting before taking the tape off to see if I want to do a final wash over the background, but we'll see when we get there. Alright, so for now I'm gonna just use a very much fine liner. This is, I think, a number 1 round brush. I want to just activate my paint. There we go. And now we're just looking at the shadows and a little bit of the rope details. So I'm going to use this grey that I've got here, that I've just activated, and it's probably a mixture of Payne's grey and this black of mine, Mars black. You can just see that's still very weak. Just going to add a bit of Payne's grey. I haven't filled up the Mars black well yet. Let's see. It's still not showing up really. Okay, so a little bit more. Let's try now. I think that will show up. Right, so I'm just going to go ahead and strengthen the shadow between the ropes. Just so that we can see them a little bit better. There's a little bit of a shadow there. Ooh. This is really fine work. Let's look at where the shadows are sitting here. If you want to see the rest of this video, then join my Patreon community today, because all of the full tutorial information, behind the scenes content, magical moments, one-on-one chats, and deeper insights into the oracle of the spirit animal guide is all available on my Patreon. So use the link in the description of this video and join me today, because there's a lot of magical things happening right now.